What's up, Peak Timers? Phil here from Peak Time Racing. Let's go ahead and open up some new Hot Wheels Dodge van from the HW Metro series. And I've said it before, but I've never been really a van fan, but until you actually see this one and the amount of detail on here, it is an absolutely amazing looking car. It says HW Kart coat on the side, service and parts, and like a Hot Wheels cart. And if we look on the inside, you can see there is a go-kart on the inside, all in chrome and all the different parts and pieces and stuff on the inside. So super neat detail for this one. Kind of regular van wheels on it. We got the nice chrome on the front end right there, the classic Dodge van grille on it as well, and on the back we got these little slot louver things for the rear window. But overall, I'm just super happy with this Dodge van. 67 Ford GT40 Mark IV from the Retro Racers series. This one in golf livery right here. Let's go ahead and have a closer look at this one. I love the look of golf livery on cars. We've seen many different Hot Wheel iterations with the golf livery on there, including my McLaren F1. You can see it kind of right behind me right there. You can see the golf livery ones, but very cool that we've got this 67 Ford GT40 Mark IV with the livery on there, the number 9 on the front, your classic light blue with the orange striping right there. Great look from the front end. And then we got that little lip spoiler on the back and that engine in the rear right there. Just a super clean, nice looking Hot Wheels car. FUSIONBUSTA from the HW Dream Garage, a crazy looking fantasy casting. Let's go ahead and pop this one up. It's got like just a lot of angles and stuff to this one. It's made to look maybe like a classic 30s race car. We got the big engine on the front with the exhausts that come out the side right there, as you can see. Kind of like an F1 type front spoiler on there, but just look at it like that side angle. It just looks like a scary race car. Just a crazy angle for that rear body look. The wheel tire combination right in the back right there, but just a absolutely crazy design. Let me know what you guys think of the FUSIONBUSTA. Coupe Clip from Xpera Motors, and I was super confused when this casting came out and even when I unboxed it from my case, but now I totally know the point in what this car is all about. So let's go ahead and open it up and I will tell you guys what the purpose of this vehicle is. So we can see right here, it's just basically a block of metal, and it is got like two pieces meshed kind of together. So we do have the screw rivets on the bottom right there, and it kind of looks like maybe like a Datsun or a Corvette of some sort. Very sleek body design on there. The purpose of this vehicle is, you can see right here, it's got a little hole, and this is meant to be a keychain right here. So if we put a little loop right here, then you can put your keys attached to it, and then you've got a Hot Wheels keychain. So super cool. It's definitely different to have something like this come out. The Coupe Clip. What do you guys think of this new casting? 63 Studebaker Champ, and this is from HW Hot Trucks. This is the mainline variation of what would be a Super Treasure Hunt. We didn't get the Super Treasure Hunt variation, but the mainline one is still very neat looking. Let's go ahead and pop it open and we get a nice close-up look to it. I love the black and gold theme to this one right here. You can see the gold on the top with that racing flag striping right there. Got a little bit of a lip spoiler, Studebaker on the rear right there, and I just love that side profile. That side profile looks very good. Very good detail to this one. Super interesting casting right here that we have, and hopefully we can find this one in the future as the Super Treasure Hunt. Hyperfin from HW Daredevil. This is a Fast and Furious Spy Racers Netflix series car, and we've got it in a brand new color, and this one is essentially like an F1 car mixed with a hypercar. That's kind of what it looks like. So it's got some sort of like weird like slim profile on the back right there, and then on the front it's just totally like supercar-ish like, but very interesting of a design. I would have liked to see maybe like a big spoiler or something on the back of it. I think that would have like topped it off a little bit better. Got the different wheel tire combination on there, but what do you guys think of the new color of Hyperfin? Barbie Dream Camper from the HW Metro series. Very interesting to have this casting in the Hot Wheels lineup. It did come out, I believe it was last year that it came out, or maybe at the beginning of this year, but just check this one out. Just an absolutely crazy thing to see come to the Hot Wheels lineup. My girls absolutely love this casting. I've given them a few of them. We've got the blacked out wheels with the chrome lip on there, and on the side, this little piece right here opens right up. So you can pull that and you can see right through that Barbie drain camper. But what do you guys think of this crazy casting? Another interesting crazy casting to the lineup, the U.S.S. Enterprise NCC 1701 from HW Screen Time. This is from the Star Trek series, so it's interesting to see these space vehicles come into the Hot Wheels lineup from the Star Trek series. Let's go ahead and pop this open. I think it's got some sort of stand or something right here. And interesting, when I actually pick it up and hold it, it is a full metal design right here. Actually, this back piece is plastic, but the body part and this part right here, this kind of like disc type look thing, it's fully metal. So that's really, really cool. And I think this is some sort of stand that we've got for it. So we'll go ahead and just throw that right on there. And there we go. We can have it little standing up right there. But I don't know. I'm not a huge fan of these type of vehicles that come to the Hot Wheels lineup. Maybe it does go this way. Actually, I'm not too sure. But what do you guys think of this one from Star Trek? Ain't Fair from HW Metro. This bus right here, Ain't Fair, very interesting name to it. I do like that. We'll go ahead and pop it open and see some of the details on it. Nice color on the top right there, and it says HW Airlines. So I believe this is one of those airport transit vehicles, so it kind of transport you from one side of the airport to the other. There's the engine on the rear right there. Nothing opens up or anything like that. The front end, we do have nice detailed touch to it. We got the bike stand with the bike on the front of it, but just it's an interesting casting to have these buses to the lineup, but I think they're definitely well deserved and belong. Perfect Speed from the Street Beast series, and I believe this would be like some sort of cat, I guess. It does have some interesting writing on there from a different language I'm not too sure about. If you know what that says, let me know down in the comments section down below. But let's go ahead and pop this one open, and I guess being Perfect Speed, I think it would be a cat. I'm not too sure exactly what cat it is. We can see it's not like super detailed as far as the eyes and painting and anything goes like that. It's just all kind of blended into the body. We've got that writing on the back right there, which again, if you guys know what that says, let me know in the comment section down below. Big rear wheel tire combination with the front smaller ones, and this being the big tail on this one. What do you guys think of this new casting? In the comment section down below, let me know which one was your favorite. Don't forget to hit that like, follow, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.